Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Avocado Green Mattress. Now this is an all-natural mattress and I think it's the perfect solution for people that want to buy a mattress that has a very low environmental footprint and feels great. So let's take a look. Now the Avocado Mattress is made in the USA right out of California. This mattress ships in about 5 to 7 business days, so it takes a few days longer for it to arrive than your typical foam mattress. And the reason being is that this mattress is made to order. So when you place the order is when they actually start construction on the mattress. That means you get a fresh mattress delivered to your door. So definitely worth an extra few days wait. Now when it does arrive, you'll notice that when you cut it open, it literally springs to life. So kind of watch out. What I like about that is it's pretty much ready to sleep on right away. Reason being is it's a coil system with latex. Both of those are instantly responsive materials. So when you open it up, that's the feel you're gonna get right when you open it up, and it's gonna be the same feel a few months down the road. Now you are gonna notice a little bit of a wool smell to that. It's completely natural smell, completely harmless. And I much prefer that smell to your typical foam smell, which you're not sure what those chemicals are. And again, that wool smell is gonna go away in a few days. All in all, it's a great opening experience and like I said, ready to sleep on right out of the box. Now the Avocado mattress is made with all natural materials throughout. Starting with the top layer, you get GOTS certified organic cotton. And that's really important because that's the first layer that you're gonna come in contact with. It's closest to your skin, so it's important that there's no chemicals there. Underneath that, you get a layer of wool, and that acts as a natural fire barrier. Now there's also a vegan option which substitutes the wool for another natural material, and that's not going to change the feel at all. Underneath that fire barrier is where you get 2 inches of GOLS certified Dunlop latex. Now what I like about latex is that when they pour the latex, it leaves these little holes in the mold, and that provides a nice way for air to flow through the material and creates a lot of breathability and great for temperature regulation. Now underneath that is where you get the zoned legged implant combo coil system. What I like about this is it's actually made with 3 different gauges of coils. So it allows them to put firmer coils where you need more support and less firm coils where you need more pressure relief. And it just levels you out across the mattress. Around the perimeter of the mattress, you get a little bit firmer coils so you can maximize the use of the bed. Finally, you get another inch of the Dunlop latex for a nice base layer. All in all, it adds up to an all-natural mattress that makes for a great feel. I highly recommend the Avocado for stomach and back sleepers. Now, if you're a side sleeper, I take a look at the pillow top options. So for just a few $100s more, it's gonna give you a couple more inches of latex, and that's really gonna cradle you, give you better pressure relief for your hips and shoulders. This mattress also is great for people that tend to sleep hot. The materials in it just provide a very temperature neutral environment. And by that I mean there's a lot of breathability built into it. The wool also helps regulate temperature, so you're not gonna wake up hot and sweaty at all. Now in terms of motion transfer, this mattress is just naturally springy because obviously it has springs and latex is a very resilient material. So all in all, you're getting a mattress with a very traditional feel with all the upgrades that an organic mattress can provide. Queen size Avocado retails for $13.99. And I know that's considerably higher than your typical foam mattress, but again, keep in mind this is an all-natural mattress with all the certifications. It also comes with a 1-year trial. That means you can try it out in the comfort of your home during all 4 seasons to truly know if it's the right mattress for you. And if you decide to keep it, you get a 25-year warranty. That's certainly longer than your typical 10-year warranty. So when you add all these up, it really does stand out for price, value, and trial. Now, when customers come into our stores looking for an all-natural mattress, and I know that that term all-natural is used kind of loosely, with Avocado, they back it up with certifications. So that's why I really enjoy recommending it. All the materials are sustainably sourced, and when it comes time to dispose of it, you know that the materials are just going to biodegrade back into the earth. So in that regard, it's truly a cradle-to-grave mattress with a great feel. So if you want to get the full review and the best discount codes, just head on over to sleepsugar.com.